Antonym the Conrad Cartagena here in Colombia, and this is a one-bedroom Ocean Suite 541, and this is really a proper suite. As you can see, this is the living room. And then we have a the guest bathroom. Actually, I'm sure you can turn that sofa to a double bed as well. Here is actually, I do like this wooden table. It's very convenient for doing some work, although I'm sure that there's not that many people actually working here at this resort. Here we have an espresso machine with some capsules, although I'm not sure if those are espressos. Some tea. We do have a mini bar here as well. Some liquids and some alcohol as well, and some beer. A little bit difficult to open these. And here are some snacks, some Colombian chocolates. And like I said, I was actually laying on this sofa a little bit. As you can see the mechanism there below, so you can turn that to a bed as well. Here's the TV, and I'm sure this is a Bluetooth system, so you can probably, yeah, it is, so you can probably hook up your mobile phone and other music devices into it as well. And here's the bedroom, bathroom, another TV, like a sort of like a walk-in closet, and well, here's luggage rack, but I have my bags outside. Closet space, an ironing board, bathrobe, and oh, that's an iron. I was talking, oh, is that the hair dryer? In-room safe, an umbrella. It hasn't rained here today. Well, here's the hair dryer, bathrobe, and they brought the temple spa amenities here, and that's the Shanghai Tang, I believe. Yes, so I believe that they have 4 or 5 different ones that you can actually request from the concierge. And here's the shower, and here's the toilet. This Conrad Cartagena, it's quite far away from the city center itself, but that's the beach club over there. Here you can actually see the neighboring balconies as well. So this is not really very convenient to explore the walled city, so to speak, but my very good friend of mine and a contributor to the lobby, Fredo, he considers this the best hotel here in Cartagena, and his family is actually originally from the city. So it's of this area. So this is all the walls, the restaurants, the lobby, and it's the beach club. Beach club is over here, and it's about the sunset. So, like I said, it's quite a nice hotel if you are going to stay here, you know, like a beach holiday, or if you just want to relax after exploring the Cartagena city itself for a few days. But it's not very convenient if you want to come and go. So roughly 20-30 minutes each way, coming and going from this hotel. So again, this is the Conrad Cartagena here in Colombia, and this was the one-bedroom Ocean View Suite 541. I was actually in the 6th floor first, but there was some problem with the AC unit, so I had to switch the suites, and this is actually better one. I mean, size-wise roughly the same, but this is the corner one, the other one was not. So 541.